In this video, we're going to look at two trig identities, sine squared x plus cos squared x equals 1, and tan x is equal to sine x over cos x. And we're going to use these to help us look at these two examples. So the first one says 6 sine squared x plus 6 cos squared x, and it wants us to simplify it. So the first thing I notice is that there is a common factor of 6, so let's take that out. And now what I'm left with inside the bracket, sine squared x plus cos squared x, is the same as the left-hand side of this identity. Well, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, so we have got 6, and then inside the bracket, 1. So this is just 6 times 1, 6. Let's look at the right example. So I've got to prove that the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write out the left-hand side. So that's cos squared x sine cubed x all over cos to the 5x. And I'm going to do some cancelling, simplifying, and using a trig identity, hopefully end up with the right-hand side. So the first thing I note is that I've got cos squared x on the top and cos to the 5x on the bottom. So I can get rid of a cos squared x on the top and the bottom. So that all goes, and I'm left here with a 3. So my next line is going to be sine cubed x over cos cubed x. Now, they're both cubed, so I can take those out. The cubed, I can put that in a big bracket, and I've got sine x over cos x cubed. Now, if I go up to the other identity, I know that tan x is equal to sine x over cos x. So I have down here sine x over cos x. So sine x over cos x I can change to tan. So my next line here is going to be tan x all squared, which is the same as saying tan cubed x, which is the same as that right-hand side. So I finish it to prove that I've gone from left to right with right